Ibe Sama Bobby Mama, tell you, say, oh, Babu, Sama Bobby Mama, tell you, say, I want a soldier, my soldier, Tita. In your mother, be up at your Imamba, Imana, Imani, Nakiko, Yokua. And Yakibo, Uru, Kibo, and Naki, Yokamba, the war. And It's a way judging. It's a way judging. It's a way judging. It's a way judging. It's a big year, he never wouldn't be. It's a big year, water, he never wouldn't be. What one never could even know what better your toy. I mean, take what one woman, you don't know. What one never could even know what better your toy. I mean, take what water, you don't know. You will take away your it's a big year, he it's a big answer, he wouldn't be. I didn't know what in a in Mamma no shower. I put in a water in a couple of ways. It might be a baby no shower. The Majanaka, the random one, and you need you. I got in a water, it might be a baby one shower, it might be a power tell. And that's what money on it, a money second. Imami ọba òwe tẹ o ìdarí ẹni tẹ gbẹgẹdẹ ìdàgbé ẹni bí yàgẹdẹ o ìrìnsí ẹkú wa o òdìyẹ ẹni tẹ gbẹgẹdẹ ìdàgbé ẹni bí yàgẹdẹ o ìmúna ọdọkàgẹ bẹkẹ ẹni bí yẹ ìrìnsí ẹkú wa kàmẹsí ẹkú wa ìmàmú ọmọdé a o sùnì kíọkù ìtẹwé yẹ jẹnẹ yẹwé yẹ jẹnẹ. Era mego mego kiaru devino besabigo. It's a big year, he would do it. It's a big year, he it's a way judgment. Every judgment. General Kevin, who is Senator? And I make a woman. General Kevin. Oh, be a check at the general. Kevin, I'm another General Kevin. Obie chenede elikiba ni mosenetie likiba megene ni hande mwa jona sare General Kevin obie chegede waya ne we ni una ho iga bi wene ho magene wa jona sare General Kevin megene ni mosenetie ayo General Kevin uwe sengala Yamanu yeneto at the Bavaria, General Kevin. General Kevin, I didn't know what you said. Kevin, General Kevin, of the Chagada, and I made a woman. A leaky babble of second nation. Who was alone? I said, good day. See you. CEO Sharia Investment Worldwide. Also Sharia Poetry Lagos. General Kevin Obiechegede Waya Mewe now. General Kefi. The Kefi again. In every purpose to myself. General Kefi no. Obie Chagade. And I'm a who will be. I get you when the bell the way. Magamete. That here. CEO Sharia Investment. The shower. General Kefi. General Kefi no. I do that with no rubber. You got to make on the seven. Kefi. I'm on earth. Kefi. General Kefi. General Kefi. I'm on earth. CEO Sharia the shopper. Sharia Investment. Heavy. Sharia Bochi. It's a way you're giving. Tell me you're giving. It's a way you're giving. It's a way you're giving. General Kefi General Kefi you got the same on the day. General Kefi I got the way. General Kefi General Kefi CEO Sharia Investment worldwide. Also CEO Sharia Poetry Lagos. General Kefi General Kefi Igiri Amane no Bagbe. General Kefi we got the Simon in the user. General Kefi
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ace Black. I'm a film producer, film director, musical shooting, whatever concerning entertainment. If you want to do a marriage, and call on us. We are there for you. And I'm the owner of Ace Black TV on YouTube. The reason why I came to do this interview today is that I came up with an idea with a new platform showcasing your talent. because we have a lot of talent in Edo State and they are being hidden because of no help, no support, no finance. We are the ones doing our things on our own. They are all indoor. So I came up with this idea, showcasing your talent for our people in diaspora, for them to know that we have a lot of talent in there, in Edo State. For them to know that we have raw talent. So I decided to come up with this new platform, showcase your talent. And I bring out people, some young artists to come and perform. And when they perform, I pay the instrumentalist, I pay the engineer who came to record the sound so that you will hear good sound and feel the good music. And the issue is this. This platform involves money. And the issue involves money because whatever artist that came to perform, I pay the instrumentalist, I pay the engineer for the sound. Me alone cannot do this. That's why I'm calling the general public, lover of music, my Edo people, please, we need your support. We need your help. We need your promo. Because I know with this, Edo music is going far. Please, you cannot support financially. When you see the job, please, you can also share the job. We just started this thing in Benin now. From Benin, we can still go to Ishan. From Isan, we go to Auchi. Just like that. The platform is for Edo State artists. Please, you will see my account number on your screen. Please, nothing is too big, nothing is too small. Please support this project, support this platform. And if you want to do advert for your business, you want to do advert in whatever you do, in your activities, like you want to do birthday, you want to do the advert, you want the artist to use you to sing on the platform, call on us. My number is on the screen. Call on us, write me on WhatsApp. Or you want to do marriage, you want them to talk about the event in the platform. We are there for you to do whatever you want us to do. We need support and we want you to be our sponsor. Please, as you do, we know God will richly bless you. Thank you.